As usual, the space kit turns up before the truck. So anyway, I'll show it to you now. It's a conversion kit. What appeals to me is the tail ramp and also the high ab. There's instructions on the back. Also, it came from Oxfam, which is a charity. How they supposedly do good deeds. Well, they do for me. Parts. First of all, the crane. Plastic wheels and plastic tires. Ten of them. One, two, three, four, five. 6 wheels, along with spider rims, which can be put into these ones. A couple of spoilers for a Volvo Scania. A nice little beaver tail bit.
On a mission to locate the US president, a rescue team battles an ancient monster in the midst of the Devil's Triangle in the North Atlantic. Tomorrow at 4 here on R8, the channel premiere of the Tentacles.
Hey, that's that. I'll be using it in the post-apocalyptic truck. Or sort of anyway. So we'll see. Bye.